How to verify your identity on Commonwealth Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your identity on the CommBank. So to do that, first of all, open the CommBank app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap the second option, which is identity and security. Now, once you've done that, under identity, you'll have to tap the first option, which is verify my identity. Now, once you've done that, you'll need your ID, such as your Australian driver's license, your passport, or your Medicare card. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to take a selfie to confirm that it's actually you who's using the app. And once you've done that, you'll have to check your identity to verify your identity. So simply tap on the option continue once you've done all of those, and you will have successfully verified your identity on Commonwealth Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.